right away, Captain Sir. I just need a coat. Oh.
Smee, you've broken the Jolly Roger steering wheel. Oh, now we're going around in circles. Oh, Smee! What good is a pirate ship without a wheel to steer it?
Not good at all, Captain. I'm feeling a tad seasick.
Seasick? Pirates never get seasick. Abandoned ship.
Hey! Shiver me timbers! Where did that bird come from? Looks like she's a friend of Captain Hook.
Ah, the treasure. Hand it over, Neverbird. Why, without a steering wheel, we're still going in circles.
Perhaps it might not be so bad if we think of it as a fun ride, Captain.
Fun? Never.